Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to create a DuoLingo account. First, go to your App Store or Google Play Store, then search DuoLingo. Tap Install, then wait for it to complete. Once it's done, open it. Tap Get Started. Click Continue. Choose what would you like to learn, then tap Continue. Wait for it, then select where do you hear about DuoLingo. Continue and start answering the questions. Pick your daily learning goal. Tap Continue. It will give you a choice where is the place you can start. Either you are a beginner or you have a background in the language. Tap Continue, then wait for it to complete. It will give you a test, you just need to finish it. It has a lot of questions, so think before you answer. I will just speed this up for you. After you finish answering, tap Continue. Then, just follow and answer again the questions. After that, you can now create your account. It will ask for your age, for your name, then email address. After that, you need to create a password. Once you've done all of that, tap Create Profile. Then that's it. That's how you create account in DuoLingo. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you on my next tutorials.